Okay, friends, I am going to do the sound test of this Bacchus woodline model 5-string bass. I am just going to play uh, around and around the same fragment of an exercise I have been practicing, and while I play the same fragment, I am going to use different equalizations and also toggle the passive and the active um, uh, mode of the bass, so that you guys can have an idea of the of what this bass can offer in terms of its electronics and its equalizer. Just so you remember, uh, this is the bass uh, bass knob, treble knob. Here the toggle switch. I don't know if the camera can see it. Here the is the on passive mode. If I switch it down, it's the active mode. This is the blend. Here is neck. Here is peak bridge, and this is the master volume. So let's check it out.